Have you ever wondered how video games are made? Let me show you, step by step, like building the coolest backyard playground ever. Step 1. The idea. I start by asking, what's the adventure? Maybe it's a brave cat jumping over lava marshmallows. I write it down and sketch a quick doodle. Step 2. The rules. Games need rules. Like one jump, don't touch lava, collect 10 stars to win. Rules make the game fair and fun. Step 3. The world. I design levels like rooms in a house. Easy, medium, spicy, hard. I draw maps on paper first. Step 4. The characters. I give my hero powers. Run, jump, rainbow dash. I also design silly enemies who try to stop me. In a nice way. Step 5. The tools. I open a game engine, like a big toy box. Engines help me place blocks. Make buttons tell the computer what happens when you press jump. Step 6. Coding. Coding is giving instructions. If cat touches star, add 1 point. It's like teaching a robot to play by the rules. Step 7. Art and sound. I draw sprites, little pictures that move, paint backgrounds. And voila! I have a video game. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.